Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity. Now, I would like to present a literature review with the title Periodontal Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontic Technique for Rapid Orthodontic Tooth Movement. First, I will introduce our team, my supervisor, Dian Setiawati, periodontist from Department of Periodontology Faculty of Dentistry Hasanuddin University, Indonesia, and me as a speaker, Leticia Evangeline Anatukan from Periodontology Specialist Educational Program of Dentistry Faculty, Hasanuddin University, Indonesia. Introduction. Periodontal Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontics, or PAOO, is a procedure which combines selective alveolar corticotomy, bone grafting, and orthodontic pressure, has been used to increase alveolar bone volume therapy, shortening treatment time, increasing treatment coverage, reducing tooth resorption, providing better post-treatment stability, and improving the height of the keratinized gingiva. With this technique, one is no longer dependent on pre-existing alveolar volume, and teeth can be moved 2 to 3 times faster in one-third to quarter the time required for conventional orthodontic therapy. The purpose of this article is to present a comprehensive literature review, including historical background, contemporary clinical techniques, indication, contraindication, complication, and side effect of periodontal accelerated osteogenic orthodontics. And this is a method of collecting data. The data collection method used in this research is to search for literature in the form of journal articles about PAOO that are scientifically published and available online starting from 2016 to 2021. The rating stage is based on PRISMA containing identification, screening, eligibility, and include. Article identified from Google Scholar and is 671. Article identified from PubMed and is 69. Total article and is 740. Article exclude and is 715. Article that do not fit the topic and is 435. Inaccessible article and is 280. Journal article in full are accessed for eligibility and is 25. Article that fall within the criteria and is 4. Result. The results of data collection are made in the form of a journal synthesis table consisting of author, title, published, method, and result. For the first, Sangeta Singh, with the title Comparative Evaluation of Periodontally Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontic versus Conventional Orthodontic Tooth Movement in Adult Patients with Bemaxillary Dentoalveolar Protrusion, published in 2019, with the method 30 cases of bemaxillary protrusion divided into groups. First group, PAOO procedure followed by fixed orthodontic mechanotherapy. Second group, orthodontic fixed mechanotherapy only. And the result is the PAOO technique with fixed mechanotherapy gives better results than without PAOO. Second, Heba Ali, with the title Severe Mandibular Crowding Treated with Non-Extraction Periodontally Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontic, published in 2018. Method use of the PAOO procedure in patients with mandibular crowding who previously had fixed orthodontic appliance. In the result, the use of the PAOO procedure helps accelerate the correction of mandibular crowding. Third, Tari Chakart, with the title Alveolar Bone Morphology Following Periodontally Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontic, published in 2070 method. Patients with malocclusion who underwent an examination at the orthodontic department underwent treatment stage with the POO procedure. Result: combination of POO procedure with fixed orthodontic result in extensive tooth movement at an accelerated rate and minimal periodontal breakdown. In the last Mahabharamam, with the title Effectiveness of Bifinder 5 Xenograph versus Biactive Glass with Periodontally Accelerated Osteogenic Orthodontic in Adults, published in 2016, method: 33 orthodontic patients underwent PAOO procedure with the use of xenograph and bioactive glass, and the result: the PAOO treatment approach reduced the duration of active treatment, reduced the risk of root resorption, and improved the periodontal condition by increasing bone density. Discussion: Periodontal accelerated osteogenic orthodontic is an excellent procedure according to the research because it can move teeth 2 to 3 times faster than is possible with conventional orthodontic alone, and the cases can be resolved by increasing the volume of alveolar bone. And this is indication and contraindication. Some of the indications of PAOO include the following: overcoming crowding and shortening treatment time, accelerating canine retraction after premolar extraction, increasing post-orthodontic stability, facilitating eruption of impacted teeth, facilitating slow orthodontic expansion, molar intrusion, and correction of open bites. While the contraindication and limitation are the patients with active periodontal disease or gingival recession are not good candidates for PAOO. PAOO should not be considered as an alternative to surgical assist palatal expansion in the treatment of severe posterior crossbite, nor should PAOO be used in cases where the bemaxillary protrusion is accompanied by a gummy smile, which may benefit more from segmental osteotomy. Advantage and disadvantage. The advantage include less breaker treatment time, faster treatment time, less risk of post-orthodontic gingival recession and cervical abrasion, better post-orthodontic stability and retention, less risk of root resorption, less risk of crown to root ratio good, less furcation invasion, and less recurrence. While the disadvantage of PAOO include expansive procedure, mild but risky invasive surgical procedures, mild to moderate pain and swelling, and the possibility of visible infection, it is not recommended for class 3 malocclusions. The result of this interdisciplinary amalgamation is fast orthodontic tooth movement with drastically shortened treatment time and also a wider range of treatment with reduced side effects such as root alveolar bone, relapse, inadequate alveolar bone, and bacterial factors such as caries and infection. And this is a conclusion: periodontal accelerated osteogenic orthodontic can accelerate tooth movement in orthodontic treatment, reduce the risk of root resorption, and improve periodontal condition by increasing bone density. And thank you very much for your attention.